This is the big breakfast ramen, just like normal ramen, only more breakfasty. How many times have you gone to have breakfast and thought, I want this to be more ramen-y? Probably zero. So I thought now is the perfect time to answer that age-old never-asked question, can you enjoy nudes for breakfast? We're building a fried breakfast, bacon, sausage, all the trimmings, but the real challenge, figuring out how to add baked beans to this noodle mess without just ramming them in. So I woke up this morning and I thought I want to make some breakfast ramen. Now, why did I think that? Well, because I'm making a video about breakfast ramen. Talk about stating the obvious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on a tray first. Not all of them, obviously. And if you're wondering, yes, they are RSPCA assured. I'm sure all 13 of you wondered. Put some bacon on. That's too much sausage, but I do like a sausage.
Pork sausage.
Into the oven with ease, and hopefully not burn them, like the bacon in the last video. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our noodles on. I got a pack of noodles here, just a normal pack of ramen. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this sachet out, and we don't need that. These we need. We also don't need that herby, but we might use the herby, maybe.
Smoke weed every.
So in a pan, we're just gonna add some water, a touch of salt, don't go wild, and then in go the nudes. Now I've been thinking about how I'm gonna incorporate the beans, and I thought, what if it doesn't have beans? What if it just has that iconic tomato taste? There's no better way than using some tomato soup, because this thing has the sugar content. What it doesn't have is beans.
Yes, science!
So in a pan, that tomato soup is gonna go, and we're gonna try and keep some of this starchy water because we wanna put some of that starchy water in with our breakfast sauce, should we call it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly season this breakfast sauce. Noodles are coming along nicely. A bit of guacamole never hurt anybody. Our breakfast sauce is heating up nicely. I'm gonna strain those noodles now because they're gonna cook a little bit more in that breakfast sauce. Our breakfast sauce is nearly complete. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in there with some MSG. That's just gonna give it a bit of an umami taste.
This is going to send Uncle Roger into overdrive.
Frying pan on the hob. We don't need any oil because the bacon and sausage. We're just gonna add this to the pan to get some color on it. Our breakfast sauce is complete. As you can see, our bacon and sausage looking good. Another one of our finishing touches is we've just got a fried egg here. This is just gonna go on top of the ramen. Our ramen is here, in with the sauce, not all of it. There we go, look at that. Bit more. Egg's done. If you wanna stop an egg cooking, literally just lift it off and hang it up on the pan like that. What knowledge. So our ramen's done. In there we go with our bacon and sausage. Nice, nice. There we go, look at that. Into a bowl we go with our ramen. Maybe not all of it, maybe it won't all fit. Let's try. Oh, it'll go, there we go. On top, our fried egg with the crisp and the gooey yolk. And then just to finish off, a bit of chili crisp. We got some dried herbs for here as well. So let's put some of them on. And there we go, look at that. Let's have a go. Let's test. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Perfect, perfect. Let's mix that in a little bit. Let's get some of that there. Let's get some sausage. All right, in it goes. Oh wow. Oh my God.
Are you okay?
That is phenomenal.
I'll have what she's having.
I've done it again. I've done it again. Ladies and gentlemen, like this video, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make something out of your imagination that's totally wild. I'll do my best to do it. Oh yeah, this is lovely. Until next time, cheerio.